Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing out of my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you how easy it is to throw together a Mamma Mia pasta salad. So, grab a hold of that vine, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad you want to sit there and learn how to make Mamma Mia's pasta salad. So what we're going to be needing is, you're going to be needing some, I like the noodles that hold some sauce to them, and I especially love these Salatani noodles. So I'm going to go ahead, cook up the whole box al dente. Then we're going to be needing 2 cups of the chopped red, yellow, and orange peppers. And if you have a green pepper or 2, go ahead and add that too. 2 cups of chopped up cherry tomatoes. And then we're going to be needing 1 red onion. And then we're going to be needing some mozzarella cheese. But that's for the very and right before we are to serve it, so don't worry too much about the cheese right now. We have some pepperoni over here, and you're going to be needing the whole package of this. And then you're going to be needing some black olives, red vinegar wine. You're going to need some extra virgin olive oil, some sugar, some pepper, and some salt. We're going to need some oregano. I'm going to get my noodles cooking up. We have our noodles cooking, and we're going to sit there and cook them for 11 minutes as the package tells us to. And now in here, let's sit there, and I have black olives. We have the array of the chopped up peppers, the tomatoes. Here's the chopped up pepperoni, and then right here we have the chopped up red onion. Now let's go ahead and let's make our dressing. You're gonna need 3/4 cup of the extra virgin olive oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour some of that in here. And then we're going to be needing 3/4 cup of the red wine vinegar. You're going to want 1 tablespoon of the oregano. We're going to sit there and add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now, let's put the lid on here, and let's go ahead and shake up all the dressing. Here is our dressing all mixed up. Okay, I drained off our noodles, and we're just gonna sit there and add them all to the bowl. Now let's give everything in the bowl a good toss. But before we give it all a good toss, let's shake up our dressing one more time before we just add just a little bit. You don't want to add all the sauce. Some people like it drier, other people like it saucier. I like just adding a little bit and letting everybody decide for themselves. Here is our pasta salad all mixed up. Now wait till right before serving, and we're going to sit there and throw in some mozzarella cubed up cheese. Now there you go. I just showed you how easy it is to throw together this Mamma Mia pasta salad. So if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not a subscriber yet, go up above, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell, that way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And thank you for taking the time to watch my videos, and happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?